Hey guys, I got the LEVOIT Core Mini on the left and the Aroeve MK01 on the right. We're going to do a quick comparison and I'll lay down all the technicals for you guys between these two different models, some of the most popular small size air purifiers on the market. So on the left, you've got the LEVOIT Core Mini that can do 315 square feet per hour. On the right, 215 square feet per hour for the MK01. On the left, you've got 0.3 microns filtration, same with the Aroeve, 0.3 microns. On the lowest setting, you've got 27 decibels of noise from the Core Mini, and on the right, you've got 22 decibels, okay? So those are like the main features that you need to know in terms of the specs and everything else. Now let's look at some more details. So they both have a 3-stage filter. Let me open this one up. You got the motor up top, and then you have a 3-stage filter right here, okay? Let's look at each filter side by side and how they come out. So as you can see, slightly smaller filter from the Aroeve, slightly larger from the Core Mini. Both of them have carbon, three-stage filter, and so it's got the HEPA on the inside and then the pre-filter on the outside, okay? You're gonna have to replace them depending on usage about the same time. So it's like 2 to 4 weeks, you're gonna clean this off on the outside, and then every 3 to 6 months, 3 to 4 months, something like that, you're gonna replace it. It just depends. It's about 2,000 hours of usage per filter, roughly, okay? Now, when it comes to the actual filters, the features of the products, let's go ahead and put them back together. Take 1 second here. Very, very similar feature set, but there are a few differences. So let's look at the differences in terms of the features. With the LEVOIT unit, you really have the most simple possible air filtration. So you've got an on button, turns on level 1, level 2, level 3. Okay, that's it in terms of functionality. The only other thing that it does have, which I love, is the aromatherapy option. So you can take that out. You can see I've been using this, put aromatherapy drops on there and pop it back in. And all of a sudden that's gonna go in the air, okay? Over here on the Aroeve, you've got your power levels. So it's gonna start on 1. Let me turn this one off. So start on level 1. So really that's the middle level. Level 2. And then that's sleep mode, okay? So it's like on, but it's very, very low. So let's leave it on level 1. And then you have a night light, which this one does not have. So it's either gonna light up on the bottom through here, or it's gonna light up top. And then you've got a timer, which again, the LEVOIT does not have. So 6, 12, 24 hours. I will say also that the LEVOIT, like it lights up right there, but then after a minute it goes dark, okay? So this is like a fully dark unit after a minute. This one can stay on or off, and depending on where you put it. It does also have the aromatherapy. So you can put the drops right there, okay? So if I had to boil it down, this unit is a little bit more powerful. They're both almost the same size. You can see the LEVOIT is about 1 inch taller, ½ inch taller. This is a little bit more powerful. It's simpler. This has a timer. It has the option for the night light, and it's not quite as powerful. Both of them have aromatherapy. So I hope that helps, guys. I would buy both of these units. I actually use both of these units, one in my bedroom, one in my kid's bedroom. Awesome, awesome product. So if you're on the fence with either one, I highly recommend you just go ahead and pick it up.